I'm going to go to our next segment, which is the first help segment. And I believe we have a message here from Danielle from Austin. We'll see what she says. 1 second here.
Hi, Tim.
There we
This
go.
is Danielle from Austin. I currently have a new 16-inch MacBook Pro with the best GPU, mid-level CPU, and 32 gigs of RAM.
Okay.
I'm editing a 3-minute corporate piece from Premiere 2019, and
Nice.
the playback has been really choppy. I'm kind of new to this, so I'm not really sure what I'm doing wrong. The footage from the camera is 4K. Could that be why? Thanks. Let me know.
Thank you very much, Danielle from Austin. You are the number one fan of the export, and I really appreciate you being the first caller. Let me just bring up the number real quick here because I want you guys to call in, text in with any of your questions as well. Let's see if we can bring up the phone here. There it is. Call or text me anytime, 617-410-6459. Happy to help. So back to Danielle's call. I actually have like a very similar laptop. I have the 16-inch MacBook Pro. It's a beast, I must say. The new cooling that it has been godsend. And I don't have a huge issue with 4K footage, even if it's straight from the camera and with an H.264 codec. And it's corporate stuff, so I'm assuming it's not too long. So there are a few things that you can do. Number one is just make sure that your Mercury Playback is checked off. So I'm going to go to the desktop here. I'm just going to use this timeline here. So to turn on Mercury Playback, you'll go to File and down to Project Settings. And then just make sure the renderer says Mercury Playback Engine GPU acceleration. That will help with the video playback. There's if you have the MacBook Pro, so there's Metal too, but there's really no difference between the two. If you're an Apple fanboy or fangirl, feel free to do the Metal, but I just do OpenCL just because it's open source and there's usually no issues there. Another thing you can do is make sure hardware accelerated decoding is turned on. So to do that, you go to Premiere Pro. You're on the Mac, so go to Premiere Pro, Preferences, and I believe it's Media. Yes, I was correct. All right, and then just make sure Enable Hardware Accelerated Decoding is checked off. Of course, it'll need to require a restart, so just make sure you save your project before doing that. And then just that will help with decoding and not encoding. But you can do hardware accelerated encoding this is the export settings window, and just make sure hardware encoding is turned on there. So hopefully that will help with your export. So Danielle from Austin, thank you so much for calling in and being our first caller. So exciting to finally get callers in. And let me know how that goes, and feel free to comment down below or leave another message. Let me know if that helped or not. And if it didn't, let me know, and I will see if I can help you with any other things. And just kind of let me know with a few more details on the matter.